Hello, I'm Andrew. Today, we're going to explore why removing HTML comments from emails is crucial. So, what exactly are HTML comments? Developers use HTML comments for notes or annotations within the code. While useful during development, these comments can increase the email's file size and affect how different email clients render the email. More critically, email spam filters, like Spam Assassin, a leading open-source anti-spam platform, might flag comments as spam. This happens especially if comments are used to hide potentially spammy keywords, leading to emails being blocked or diverted to spam folders. For instance, let's consider how comments might conceal a word like free to bypass spam filters. This tactic can easily trigger spam detection algorithms. Let's toggle on Remove HTML Comments. Now we'll dive into a practical example in Clean Campaign, where I've preloaded an email for demonstration. Here, you'll notice a comment attempting to hide the word free. This is a typical way comments might inadvertently set off spam filters. Now, with the HTML comment removal turned on in the settings, let's run Clean Campaign again. And there we have it, all comment is successfully removed. To recap, removing HTML comments from emails is more than just tidying up. It reduces file size for quicker loading and more consistent rendering across various email clients. This leads to enhanced user experience and engagement. Moreover, it significantly lowers the risk of your emails being marked as spam, ensuring your messages reliably reach your audience.